If you're looking for a way to optimize your workflow, then this tool will be something for you. It's called MagicChecklists. And what this allows you to do is to manage your task on a specific WordPress website. So if you don't know where you left off when you left the website as is, then this plugin can help you out. So let's have a look. So when I go into my InstaWP, which I use every time for my experimentations, but also for testing tools, I can press Magic Login. I have MagicChecklists already installed. Here on the left-hand side, you can see it. And when we press MagicChecklists, we see an overview of the checklists that are available. Now it's easy to add new or import one if you would like to. And in here, there's a nice call to action to create our first checklist. So let's do that. In here, we can say that we want a checklist for WordPress maintenance. We can set a description. We can check if this is active or not, and what kind of color it will get. Now, I like dark mode, so I will set it to dark. We can also set the priority of the checklist, and these are all medium because they are day-to-day maintenance tasks. If you scroll down, you also have the ability to set certain deadlines when the checklist needs to be checked, and we can add a keyboard shortcut, which makes our lives a lot easier. For instance, we will press Ctrl K for our keyboard shortcut, and we can select who can see this checklist. Can everybody see it, or is it only per user? Here we have the ability to check the box for the checklists to show on keyboard shortcut, or by clicking a floating button. We can select both of them to see what actually is happening. We can give it a title, for instance, maintenance. We can set if the checklist is publicly available, and we can set items. Now, for instance, we want to audit the speed of the main pages, and we'll create other checklists as well for the maintenance. So I've added a few items for this demonstration, and we will press create checklist. Here we see that the WordPress maintenance is available and has a medium priority. So I didn't know why, but something happened and I couldn't open up the MagicChecklist, but now it works again. I changed the shortcut to go to Ctrl-Alt-X. So if we press Ctrl-Alt-X, we see our checklist. So we can go to do our update plugins. So let's see if there's any updates that needs to be done. We go to plugins. And here we have our plugins. Now I don't see any updates that need to be done. So that is done. Maybe we can update WordPress itself. And there we go. So the first thing is done. We have updated our plugins. And as you can see, you can check them. And then you have your other options available as well. You can also add new items in here. For instance, this is a check and will be added to your WordPress maintenance checklist as well. We can also check this one. And we can check them all. Great job. Now we get a little reward. That's very nice. And we can uncheck all. And now they are all unchecked. So we can check them all. You can also reorder them if you'd like to. And if you would like to create one, for example, this is a check, can be removed. Then you press the red cross. So I hope this gives you a very good overview of how you can use MagicChecklists. There are possibly tons of other ways of you using it. It's a very nice productivity plugin. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep designing.